Now one more step which is optional, that is to generate bill of materials. Let's first of all save our progress by clicking over here. We have now saved our schematic. This step is generating the bill of materials is optional. Either you want to have the bill of materials or you choose not to have, it's up to you. But in order to generate bill of materials, KiCad provide us with a tool of this generate a bill of material for current schematic. Click on this tool. This will open up the bill of material windows. You can check over here, there are 3 scripts provided by the KiCad. You can choose any of the script to generate your bill of material, or you can also add your own script which you have written by yourself. So here it has bill of materials CSV grouped by value, bill of materials CSV grouped by value, and footprint. So for time being, let me choose this bill of material CSV grouped by value with footprints. So if I click generate, you see over here in this window that success, which means that bill of materials has been generated. Now this file is present where we have saved our project files. So let's go to, we have created this folder on the desktop. Over here you can see that this is the Microsoft Excel file. Let's double click it and check it. Now you can see that the bill of material is now generated. Let's just format it. Let's select this all and format auto fit column width. Here you can see that these are all the 3 reference designators for battery, LED, and resistor. It states the quantity, we are using 1 quantity, and value, component name, its footprint, and its description. So bill of material contains the reference, quantity, value, component, footprints, and its description. You can also add more fields into the properties of the symbol, the fields like the manufacturer part number or DG part number, so that it can be shown over here in the bill of materials. So bill of materials basically gives us a list of all the items that are used in the schematic.